Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this cauliflower caldine with prawns. It is a popular recipe in Goa and it is made with coconut milk and all the other spices, which gives it a really nice taste. It is a very simple recipe, so do try this recipe at home. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take a mixer jar, add 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, add 14 cloves, 3 garlic cloves, 1.5 inch cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon black peppercorns, and 1/3 cup water. Add more if required. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Then blend this to a smooth paste. So the masala is ready and it should be something like this. Then take about 10 large prawns and add some salt to taste. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and mix it and leave it aside. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 3 medium chopped onion and fry it until the onion is soft. Then add 1 chopped tomato and fry it until the tomato is soft. Then add 3 green chilies, fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add the 10 prawns, then fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the previous made masala paste and fry this for about 2 minutes. Then add 1.5 cup coconut milk and give this a mix. Then add 1 stock cube. Add some salt to taste and add 1 whole cauliflower cut and clean. Give this a mix. Then add half cup water. Then cover it and let it cook until cauliflower is soft. There you go. So the cauliflower caldine with prawns recipe is ready now. I hope you like this recipe guys, and if you like this recipe then please hit the like, and if you haven't subscribed please do subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.